What's up everyone, this is JP with Oracle Lighting, today with a new exciting product. By popular demand, we now introduce the Sidetrack LED Lighting System, originally launched for the Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT models for the Wrangler JK. This is a great functional fender accent upgrade for any JK model Wrangler, featuring a high-powered LED courtesy light as well as an amber LED turn signal to make yourself more visible when changing lanes. In this next section, we're going to take you through the install from start to finish, as well as some pro tips on how to properly align the Sidetrack lights with the fenders. Let's get started.